All right, let's try again. Sounded like, oh, it started right up. It sounded like it was going to. We got exhaust ran on the back of it. So another 400 Blueprint. All we did was hook up the starter, the battery, the alternator. We're gonna hook up the fans, but just enough to get it to the painter. Just hooked up a switch for now. What's the oil pressure? Oil pressure is at 50. What exhaust is on? Which muffler is going on? Oh yeah. Okay, you turn it off. We can let the idle down some until we get the fans hooked up. Oh, I hear something leaking. I hear something bubbling. What's bubbling? Oh,
It's still leaking.
it's leaking. Yep, the sensor. Okay. Yeah, it's just water. I see it there. I don't hear it now. Oh, yeah, I do hear it. Okay, well, we didn't get any more. I didn't work on any more of the wiring simply because the painter didn't want to have all that in his way. So, like I said, we just hot wired the car to run, left all the wires down. I'll take care of that when it gets back from the painter. He's ready for it now. Really nothing other special. Like I said, another 400 Blueprint. Yeah, once it, we'll push it back in. Got the RS conversion on the front. They're just, you know, put on there now. The painter can go about moving. Yep, see, that's all good. Uh-oh, pulling that off. Yeah, I gotta be careful with that because he'll pull that off to paint that blue. So, like nearly all the videos, I'm always like, just a quick video. This one probably will be. The new fender we got had a dent straight out of the box, but I mean, I guess that's expected. But the fenders and all, inner fenders, all of it's together. We've got one of the new doors inside. The painter's got the other door, the deck lid. So he'll have it. He may already be working on them right now. But I guess the car will be leaving here soon. It's funny, out here where we live, no one's had we haven't seen a Le Mans Blue, like Z28 striped car. And then one of my buddies bought one like 2 days ago. Looks like it's gonna be the same blue as ours. His was originally silver, but he bought it already blue. And then another buddy has a real Z that's being painted blue, but that's okay. We could do another video shortly. Maybe we got to pull it out, take it down the road just to, I don't know when the last time it would have been on the road driving on its own power, but it's going to be able to. So, well, all right. I don't know if I'll do another one before it goes to the painter or not. Really nothing else to talk about. So then we'll just be doing updates while he's got it.